Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today I will show you how to put your iPhone into recovery mode with a step-by-step guide. So let's dive in. Those who are using iPhone SE 2nd generation, iPhone 8, and later models can follow the below operation. Firstly, connect your iPhone to a PC or Mac. Press the volume up button and release it quickly. Press the volume down button and release it quickly. After that, press and hold the side button. Release the side button when you see the recovery screen on the iPhone. Those who are using iPhone 7 or 7 Plus can follow the below operations. Firstly, connect your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus to a PC or Mac. Press and hold the side button and the volume down button at the same time. When the recovery screen appears, release the two buttons. Those who are using iPhone 6s and earlier iPhones can follow the below operations. Well, connect the iPhone to a PC or Mac. Press and hold the home button and side or top button at the same time. Wait for seconds and release these two buttons when you see the iPhone recovery screen. That's all. See you in the next video.